Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make yogurt parmesan dip. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. And also do me a favor and go down and hit that description box. You will see a lot of groovy links that I have down there, and also the recipe for what we're making today. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make yogurt parmesan dip. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 1 cup of plain yogurt, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper in there to season it to taste. Let's get ready and do this. Alright, let's start mixing it up. Make sure you got a bowl big enough for all your ingredients, and we'll just go ahead and add those in. We have our yogurt, sour cream, I've got shredded Parmesan cheese. That is better than grated. You'll actually receive more flavor from that, and also you won't get stuck with a lot of fillers and things like that. You're getting complete cheese in there. So add our onion powder and our mustard. Go ahead and get it with our salt and pepper in there. A little salt. Alright. I'm going to continue whipping this up, tasting it, make sure it tastes okay. And then we're going to set up a nice plate with some chips. We're going to take some awesome photos of it for social media, lay in some awesome music, and we're going to come back and taste this, so don't go anywhere. Try here. Very creamy dip. Got hints of that mustard in there. Parmesan cheese is fantastic in there. Got that saltiness from the chip as well. Ideally, you let this go in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Let it chill really well. I'd add just a little bit of lemon juice or something acidic maybe to it to kind of bring out the smoothness, to have that contrast with the creamy and smoothness of it. But other than that, fantastic dip. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.